Yes, look at this Christmas edition of Real Life Money Monday. Yeah, we got a special treat for you today because we are discussing how money is not the objective, but it is the result. Mr. Rano, please tell us what happened. What was your experience to the Real Life Awards, first of all?
Yeah.
Then just tell us a little bit about your award. Tell us how you felt, and tell us what you've done this year to make it happen.
Beautiful. So thank you for having me anyway. So at the award, I was completely speechless. So I didn't expect it. So I got 2 awards. Mega celebration. I didn't expect it. So I had my favorite one out of the 2 of them, which I'm going to start with first, is the one that is called Mission First. So it's a level of... Oh, that's it. That's the one.
You made this one?
Yeah. Mission First. Mission First.
Is it better like that?
No.
It's better like that.
That's it, like that.
Put it against the black.
Exactly. So that's really the one that I really wanted to. Well, if there would be one of the awards, that was the one. So it's the level of contribution, putting the mission first. So it goes from something that's close to me also, not to leave anybody behind. So I'm always there in the background trying to help out people, day in, day out, without second thoughts to an extent. So that's really, 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 it meant a lot. It meant a lot to me. So I was completely speechless. I still don't have words. I still can't believe they actually did happen. So trying to pinch myself. The second award that I got was for what was it for? Actually, was the upcoming newcomer, the best newcomer of the year. So as you all know, I joined Real Life last year. So over the last 12 months, it's been a hell of a ride. So I really enjoyed it, ups and downs, and a lot of it, especially when it comes down to the learnings. So it's constantly be out there. That's the one. That's the one. Hello, baby. Hello. That's it. That's what I'm gonna polish every day. I'm gonna wake up half an hour early every morning, just to polish them too. So again, it's the effort, but I didn't take both of the awards just on my name. So it's a big shout out to you guys, to the whole Tribers, for the endless and constant support. Big shout out.
Wait. If you're giving like a speech like that, give me 1 second.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so I just want to thank you everybody in the tribe for the constant support given to me over the last 12 months, especially on the ups and downs. I want a big shout to the absolute Luis Perez, that's my coach, which has been seeing me coming from losing my job to actually getting a lot of results over the space of 6 months. So allow me to be here. So I want to thank you, each one of the 200 plus tribers that have voted for me, and I say so more of this next year. So yeah, that's the one, Mark. That's all you get. I'm really shy, but it's like, yeah.
You are not shy. Good stuff. So stick around. I know we've got 2 waiting rooms, an online one and an offline one, so we don't crash the whole thing again. So stick around. But thank you so much for coming on. I'll keep these awards dust free in fact, I would dust them.
Don't.
I would dust them. So it's $100 a week for every week that I do the dusting. Yeah, I'll keep adding that up until you come to collect it.
Put it on my tab. It's okay. I'll drive up.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Mwah. Ciao, guys. Ciao.
Good job. Awesome. So, Trisha, your camera's not working, so I can't bring you on as of yet. But hey, Sam LG, you on here next. So tell us, what is it you want? What's it been like for your journey? What words of advice you have for the people out there who aspire to do something more adventurous in their life?
So 2020, what a year that it has been for every man and his dog. Most would say it's garbage, but for me, total game changer. So started off with personal circumstances certainly changed, but then throughout the whole year, I've been secretly beavering away, battering out the business, trying to build Real Life up, and I've won an award for the Real Life Tribe Leader. Yes. So I'm one of the coaches for Real Life, and I basically want to help get as many people out of the corporate system.
Excellent. What a good point you make about people who will spend money on so-called education, but it's really a pile on top of technique. But again, this is the mission. Yeah, the mission, and it's funny that your award is Tribe Leader because you're a leader of the tribe in the respect of getting the message out there, because there are a lot of skeptical people. And why is that? It is because of the pile on top of technique, because real education is not what is going on out there. You know, think of this, guys. Most people, they want more information, don't they? They're like, hey, let me get some information. Let me know about strategies. Let me know about numbers and all the rest of it, which is very super important. And we are going to be teaching some very awesome strategies, numbers, how to get deals, finance them, all that good stuff at Real Life Property Secrets Exposed, which is a 3-day virtual event in January. But I tell you what cannot be missed, and if it is missed, you're in big trouble. Think of this. What you want to build, let's say you want to build 100 houses, but this is your education, yeah? You want to build 100 houses. Do you just build on top of the current house that's already there? Is that what you do? Why? What would happen? What's going to happen? It's going to crumble down. It's going to fall down. It's going to cause problem. It's going to be ugly. It's going to be horrible. And that's what happens to most people's education, most people's lives, most people's relationships, and most people's businesses. Hard truth, but I'm the messenger. Don't shoot the messenger, by the way. I'm just the messenger. You know that's a fact for yourself, that you know, if you're going to build on top of something else before, like what you got to do? You got to clear the space, take down what's there, take out what is not useful, so then you can build a strong foundation and then build up on from there. So good point that you say. A lot of people, they're going to get lectures and acquire information and think they're going to learn just by having new knowledge. I mean, I've seen it. I've seen people show up to trainings. You know, they show up to trainings and they have these things like, oh, look how many trainings I've been to. Hey, look at all my knowledge. Oh, yes. Yeah, so how many deals you got? Oh, no deals. You don't get deals. You just wear these things around. Yeah. So that's because it's a pile on top of technique. Yeah. You're burying is this after 9 o'clock? Yeah, it is. You're burying the shit, yeah, that you need to clear before you can go get that education. So
it's like the saying, all the gear and no idea.
Incredible. So thank you so much, Sam, for that inspiring story of what you have done. And stick around just in case, you know, we have some time, or so people still have some questions and stuff like that for you. Good job, Sam. Good job. Yeah, awesome. So Justin and Ray, inspire us with your story, what you guys have been doing and what it's all about.
First of all, what I want to do is show you the bottle that my friends brought me when I quit work. It's not as good as Sam's, but it will do.
Wait. Do that again.
It don't come in a fancy case or anything.
Are you guys getting paid like product placement commission?
Yeah, so so we won at the awards the biggest transformation and biggest business growth. And word on the street is they're on about renaming the awards to the Justin Ingray Awards because of how many nominations we both received. So
yeah, that's true, because next year we're looking for sponsors, you know, very lucrative, wealthy sponsors. And if you want to sponsor an award, which you just committed to right there, then that's fantastic. So let's give Justin a round of applause. He's our first confirmed sponsor.
Hey, let's just see next year. Let's see what position I'm in, and I'll let you know.
No, we don't go back on our commitments in this trial. Yeah, so look at that. That's one of them. Sexy. Oh, by the way, let me see if it looks good in the. What can you see the?
Oh,
Yeah.
That looks nice.
It looks better like that, right?
Yeah, that looks so cool.
Yeah. So tell us, what have been some of the great things that you've experienced in your life and in your business through having this business growth and having the biggest transformation?
I think for us, we went through a very difficult time before we joined Real Life, and we went through a bit of a difficult time during the first lockdown with our properties. So we did have to transform and overcome those, and it was amazing, and it happened. It was the best thing that could have ever happened to us, and we know if we wasn't in the tribe environment, we would not be where we are today. We used the opportunity of COVID to secure another 9 rent-to-rents and purchase 2 properties. And we're just loving it. We now got over 100 tenants. Just amazing.
Yeah. And we're just super proud and we're super happy that we've managed to do that through Corona, because I know where my mind was at before we joined the tribe, and if it was in the same place that it was when Corona come round, we would have stood no chance. Even before Corona and before we joined the tribe, like we were stressed and stuff, and if that would have carried on through Corona, I don't know what would have happened, but we're just lucky to be around so many supportive people that are on the same mission as us and want to grow like us.
And who see a solution. They don't just focus on a problem and a big drama and scare everyone. It's literally, what's up? Here's the solution. Let's all work together. And that's exactly what we needed to help us transform and grow our business in order to achieve those awards. So that's amazing.
Yeah.
And you've become like an amazing, focal point of certain given areas where, you are a very, very well-known name. Some would even say a front door collage and things like that. So it's just amazing, isn't it? Fame in all ways.
It has been amazing, and obviously to do our rent-to-rent training in Real Life and offer that to people, that has been the biggest transformation, because I think back to when we first started, we never would have thought that in 2 years' time you're going to be helping other people achieve their outcome, and it's just amazing to be able to do that in such a lovely, supportive environment, which we're very grateful for.
Yeah, super.